Assalam Aleikum, my lovely friends and family. Welcome back to Iwan's Earthy Eating Kitchen. In today's video, Bidnillahi Ta'ala, I'm going to be sharing with you a unique and earthy sauce using this ingredient. The list of the ingredients will be added to the description section below, so try to check it out. So let's start cooking. Bismillah. Add milk to this and set it aside for like 5 minutes while we prepare the onions. This is one small size of white onion. That's 2 tablespoons of oil, and I'm adding the chopped onions. This is going to be cut into small pieces to be blended. You can do whatever you like with this pepper by slicing it or by blending it together with the milk. If you use the option of blending with the milk, it makes it kind of creamy and give it this unique taste that I don't know how to explain to you until you try it. Anyway, our pepper is being added to the blender and it's going to be blended while we dice our chicken to desirable size and shape. After finish dicing, cutting, chopping the chicken, next is to add it to the oil and the diced onions, which is already on the cooker.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, it's burning!
How?
He has burned all the onions, but anyway, we still have to use it.
Stop mixing it.
We have to keep stirring this because we don't want it to burn like the onions. While doing this, we need to start adding the spice and the season. Add a little bit of salt. I hope I won't add too much. Ginger powder, mixed herbs, garlic powder, curry powder, Suya pepper, chicken jumbo. Add the pepper and the milk and mix well and let it simmer for like 20 minutes. Then we cover it while we cook the pasta. 2 tablespoons of oil and a teaspoon of salt was added to the pasta. Alhamdulillah, the sauce is ready and the pasta is also ready. Jazakumullah khairan for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. With this, I leave in the care of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Stay blessed and safe with lots of love. Iwat.